Hi.
Hi, Gretchen.
I'm so glad to see you. I cannot wait to show you this house. I mean, look at this.
Wow. Man, this is beautiful. Who built this? This is incredible.
That's a great question. This was built by Speight Built. It feels like brand new. And so Speight is known for attention to detail, for beautiful spaces, creative ceiling details and wall details. And you're going to see this all through this house. I think personally, this is the best deal inside the Beltline right now. And starting out, you've got this beautiful formal dining room with the built-ins right here, lots of light. Just you can see all the way down the street. It's so pretty.
It's stunning.
Now, what I also love about this house is there is an elevator shaft already in place. So it is elevator ready. You can go from the bottom floor where the game room and the garage is all the way up to the bedroom level. But I want to show you this kitchen.
Okay.
So look at this.
Wow, this is beautiful. This is a great spot for dinner parties, maybe some entertaining. It's great.
It really is. It's so spacious. It's very rare that we have common area spaces at this price point that look like this. So what I love about this is the kitchen is totally fabulous. They've got solid surface countertops that go up the backsplash. Gorgeous appliances that are actually Wi-Fi enabled and so can be controlled from anywhere, which is fantastic. Massive island, farmhouse sink. Look at how large this breakfast room is. Like this is your secondary dining. And you look outside the windows and you don't see anything. Like you're in an urban setting so close to North Hills, but you don't feel like that. I mean, literally, you're in the best school district in all of Raleigh, and you're walking distance to North Hills where all the shopping is. So imagine being able to walk to Stir, have a drink, have some oysters, have some fun, listen to a beach music concert, and be able to walk home. I mean, how awesome is that?
That'd be amazing.
So come over and take a look at this family room. The mantle is oversized, beautiful built-ins, and you still have light coming in. Isn't it just gorgeous?
It's stunning. Now, what is this over here?
So this is the Brilliant system. Now, some of the best components of this home are behind the walls. So everything in the home, all your thermostats, your doors, your windows, your appliances can all be controlled through this device, as well as your security cameras. You can lock the entire house. You can change the thermostats. You can see everything going on right from this device and from your phone. So it's a pretty cool scenario. So I've got something else I want to show you. Let's go take a look at the primary. There's a really cool feature in here you got to see. This primary on the main floor is such a nice space.
Oh my gosh, this ceiling's in here. This is like a retreat.
It really is. It feels so good with the shiplap. The trim details in this home are spectacular and something Speight is really known for. And this primary bath is massive.
This is huge.
Totally looks like a spa. Look at how big this shower is. There's zero entry in here. You've got all your components really close to the entrance. Dual shower heads, just a great space. It feels so good. And what I love too about this home is the homeowners went ahead and put in louvered shutters everywhere. Now, this primary closet has a special thing that I have to show you. Not only is it beautiful and spacious, it's got a window in here, but it also has this fabulous little door that actually goes to your laundry room. So when you have dirty clothes, you just put them right from your closet, right into your laundry basket, and they're not in your closet anymore. How nifty is that? Now, I want to show you upstairs, but before we do that, this neighborhood, Bellevue Terrace, is inside the Beltline, right beside North Hills and right beside Drury Hills. It's one of the most in-demand neighborhoods because the school districts are so incredible and because of the convenient location right off of the interchange of 440, but you still feel like you're in a neighborhood. I love seeing the festivals and such that they do around Halloween and 4th of July. It's just really cool. The block parties are fun. And this upstairs gives so much space because you've got this loft area right here.
Oh my gosh, this is a great homework space.
Isn't it? And I love how it separates the bedrooms. So if there's a computer area that you wanted to do, it's a great space where you can still hear downstairs what's going on. And down this hallway, you have 2 bedrooms that share a bath. Perfect space for just family moments. other side of this loft, you have another bedroom, your third bedroom upstairs that has vaulted ceilings and it's a private bath. And then also the elevator shaft would go right here. So this is where your elevator would come up. And then behind this door is a massive storage space that you could do a 5th bedroom, a bathroom, an additional office, but gives you plenty of room to expand.
Gosh, Gretchen, this is a lot of house.
Well, you haven't seen it all yet. Do you want to come down and see the game room? That's where all the fun happens.
I do.
House. Wait, I want that one. Cheers.
Cheers.
So this is such a great space. So even though there's a lot of eye candy here, like I said, a lot of the great parts of this house are behind the walls. So for example, down here, the entire house has Alexa voice controlled systems for lights, for HVAC, for your components. Like, Alexa, turn off the lights.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's so cool. And there's also a really high level insulation throughout the entire space. The garage is actually a 3-car garage. It's 2-car front entry, 1-car tandem, so it's massive. And then the Ecobee thermostats are everywhere throughout the home. There's actually 3 zones. These are all controlled through Alexa, through your phone. And the HVAC also has a UV filter in it, and it has a dehumidifier throughout the entire house. So great things for energy efficiency. And then this expansive storage area is perfect for someone who wanted to have a workshop, who wanted to tinker, who just wanted extra storage. I mean, there is so much space down here.
This is huge.
It really is. So before we go in the game room, elevator shaft is right here. Now, let's go play. This is where all the fun happens. You have sound system in this room, sound system in the family room as well. But this is my favorite part. So not only do we have some games, we've got a full bar set up with a sink and a wine fridge, but this like just makes my day. Like, how can you be unhappy in this house? This is like the happy place. What do you think so far?
Gretchen, this is an incredible house, even better location.
It really is, but I got one more thing to show you. Why don't you throw those doors open and I'm gonna grab us a drink. I mean, talk about indoor-outdoor living, right?
This space is perfect.
It's so beautiful, a gorgeous covered porch with phantom screens that can come down, keep you away from the bugs. And I particularly love the pavered patio with the grill set up. But my favorite part is this is completely like no maintenance yard. What do you think?
I love all the room for entertaining and the indoor and outdoor living. It's perfect.
I think it's great, and I love the Alexa controls, all the energy efficiencies, and the no maintenance, because when there's no maintenance, you and I can visit with each other, have a cocktail, play some games, and be right here by North Hills. And any way you shake it, that is a sweet deal. So if you're looking for a home in Bellevue Terrace, give us a call. All of our information is below. We would love to show you how you can live, work, and play right here in North Hills. We'll see you in Bellevue Terrace.